Jose from Rapid Fire Leather, and today I'm going to show you how to make this glove strap slash camera wrist strap. So if you like it, let's get to it. And for this project I'm going to be using this leather. You may think, oh, why does that leather have all that scrabbles and squiggles on it? Well, that's very simple. That's because this leather I get from car manufacturers. You know, they of course use it to upholster their car seats, and for them every piece of leather they use has to be completely perfect. You cannot have any scratches, bug bites, anything like that. So every piece that has some defects like this, they get rid of it. Well, I mean, they just don't throw it away, but they sell it for a very fair price. So this is gonna be great for this project. And I'm gonna start by cutting the leather straps. For this step, the ideal thing will be having a big workbench, which I don't, as you may infer. But you know what do I have? I have a floor. So there's no excuses. If you don't have a floor, but somehow have internet connection to watch this, let me congratulate you on your life priorities. And that's it. Now we have both straps. You may see one says Toretto. I know, like Dominic Toretto. I know it's misspelled, but the client wanted it that way, so don't judge. Right now I'm gonna be cutting them to length. That's it. And I'm gonna add the nylon strap at the bottom end that's gonna hold the D-ring. Just gonna glue it in place. You know, since this leather is very thin and stretchy, it might stretch over time. So to prevent that, I'm gonna add a nylon strap in between the two layers of leather. Give it a little reinforcement there. I'm just gonna glue it in place using the room temperature glue. You may see one of the straps is slightly wider than the other. You're gonna see why in a minute. Now I'm gonna make the belt loop. I'm gonna cut the leather, and I'm gonna need a nylon strap that's gonna be a little longer. That's because it's gonna loop around the D-ring like this. See, I'm just gonna glue it in place as well, just to maintain it there. Now I'm just gonna glue the leather over that. Perfect. Now it's time to sew. Now for the main strap, this is why I leave one strap wider, the bottom strap wider than the top strap. That's because with this stretchy leather, if both straps were the same width, the needle will just slide off the edge of the strap, skip stitches, and you don't want that, trust me. Here, being careful not to sew over the letters. And now can have a bit more fun right here. Right now for this end, this is where it's holding the nylon strap. So here I like to do a box stitch. You know, the one that looks like an X? That one. Careful with those letters. And there you have it. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by cutting the leather, the excess leather, so we have a very seamless and perfect strap. Now we have our both pieces. I'm gonna start with the belt loop. I'm gonna make an indentation to know where the snaps are gonna be. Add the caps, press them, and there you have it. our finished belt loop. Yes, perfect. Now we want to continue with our main strap. For this, you're gonna need one of these carabiner hook things, one 1-inch D-ring, and 1-inch belt loop. I like to use this square belt loop. It's just a matter of preference. You can also very easily use one of these common 1-inch links. Okay, so now we're gonna start by adding the carabiner. Very simple, just gonna make a loop around it, punch the holes for the rivets, add them, and there it is. Now for the tricky part, here pay attention because you can mess it up really easily. We're gonna start by passing the strap through the loop. Easy, right? Okay, now take the bottom end, pass it through the loop again. Alright, you'll have something like this. Now I'm gonna add the D-ring. I'm gonna simply pass it around like this, and here pay attention because you will need to pass the strap again through the loop. See, like this. This is very important because this is what's gonna allow you to push and pull on the strap. See, this is a step you can very simply forget. I know I did it many times. And that's it. Now you just punch the holes and add the rivets, and that's it. Press them, and there you have it, our finished glove strap. See it working? See, this is how this works. You simply put your gloves through it and push. See, they're locked in there. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. You can find the link to the pattern in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment below what you'd like to see next, and thank you very much again. Bye.